Hispanic and Italian studies has been awesome for me, not just because of the small classrooms, but because I have a large community of students and professors around me that I've been able to have a really positive relationship with.
The fact that it's a small department actually helps in a way because it's so tight-knit and they are so invested in you, in helping you succeed.
We learn history, we learn literature, we learn film, and it's all to get us immersed in the language, because a lot of a language it's almost learning a different way to think. It's not just learning the words to put together.
Learning different cultures and languages is really beneficial for me because I'm planning to specialize in international business, and obviously having a background in some kind of other culture and knowledge of some language can be really helpful for me in the future.